Welcome students. In this video, we are going to discuss the practical on how to calculate the thermal conductivity of insulating powder. Aim of the experiment: to determine the thermal conductivity of insulating powder. Theory: it is necessary to minimize the heat loss to the surrounding in case of heat exchanger equipment. Hence, the exterior surface of such equipment covered with the materials of lower thermal conductivity called as insulators. Because of demand of such materials, many industries have come up to produce such materials in different categories, shapes and sizes. One important category of insulating material is powder form. The powder can take any complicated shapes between any two containing surfaces. In addition, its thermal conductivity is much lower than that of its basic solid form because of large number of air gaps present between the particles. Description: the apparatus consists of two thin wall concentric copper spheres. The inner sphere houses the heating coil. The insulating powder is packed between the two shells. The power supply to the heating coil is by using dimmer-stat and is measured by voltmeter and ammeter. Chromel-alumel thermocouples are used to measure the temperatures. Thermocouple 1 to 4 are embedded on the inner sphere and 5 to 10 are embedded on outer sphere. These readings in turn enable to find out the thermal conductivity of insulating powder packed between the two shells. We assume the insulating powder as an isotropic material and the value of thermal conductivity to be constant. The apparatus assumed one-dimensional radial heat conduction across the powder and thermal conductivity can be determined. Specifications: radius of inner copper sphere is 50 mm. Radius of outer copper sphere is 100 mm. Voltmeter is 0 to 100 to 200 volt. Temperature indicator is 0 to 300. Ammeter 0 to 2 ampere and 0 degree Celsius calibrated for chromel-alumel thermocouple. Dimmer-stat 0 to 2 ampere and 0 to 230 volt. Heater coil: strip heating element sandwiched between the mica sheet. Chromel-alumel thermocouple 1 to 4 embedded on inner sphere to measure inner temperature. Chromel-alumel thermocouple 5 to 10 embedded on outer sphere to measure outer sphere temperature. Insulating powder: asbestos magnesia commercially available powder and packed between the two spheres. Procedure: insert male socket of unit in a control panel and connect thermocouple band on temperature indicator and test setup in proper position and start the main switch of control panel. Increase slowly the input to the heater by the dimmer-stat starting from 0 volt position. Adjust input equal to 60 to 70 watt maximum. See that this input remains constant through the experiment. Wait till fairly steady state condition is reached and note down the readings. Precautions: keep the dimmer-stat to 0 volt position before and after the experiment. Check this before switching on the supply. Handle the changeover switch of temperature indicator gently.
Now we will see the setup for insulating powder. So what is the aim of this experiment? We need to determine the thermal conductivity of insulating powder. So in front of you, you can see the setup. Basically you can see the two sphere. Actually one sphere is inner and second one is the outermost sphere. In the inner sphere the heater is going to be provided, and between the inner and outer sphere the fully packed asbestos powder which is to be provided. So you can see this asbestos powder, okay, inside this setup. So basically we take a powder form material in this particular experiment. So there are 4 thermocouples are mounted inside the inner sphere, and remaining 6 thermocouples are mounted on the outer sphere. So you have to see temperature is going to flow from high to low. So innermost temperature will be higher, then that temperature is transferred to powder, and then that temperature is transferred to outermost sphere. Now you can see the rest of the setup. Main switch for supplying the voltage and current to that heater, dimmer to given the voltage and current, voltmeter to show the voltage, ammeter is for showing the current reading, and temperature indicator where you can see the various temperatures from T1 to T10. So already we started this setup 1 or 2 hours before. So you can see now the temperature is reached to steady state. Now the setup is ready for steady state. Now the setup is ready for to take the readings. Okay. Now you first of all take down the voltage and current. So voltage as a 68 volt and current is 0.91 ampere. T1 temperature 127, T2 129, 135, 126, T5. Now you can see the drop in temperature 58, T6, 50, T7, T1, T8, T7, and next is '49.
Observations. Voltmeter reading is 68 volt. Ammeter reading is 0.91 ampere. So heater input is 61.88 watt. Then observation table. For inner sphere, the temperature readings are T1 is 127 degree Celsius, T2 129 degree Celsius, T3 is 135 degree Celsius, T4 is 126 degree Celsius, and the average of these 4 readings are 129.35 degree Celsius. Outer sphere. So for the outer sphere, temperature readings are 58 degree Celsius, T6 50 degree Celsius, T7 51 degree Celsius, T8 is 57 degree Celsius, T9 49 degree Celsius, and T10 49 degree Celsius. So the average temperature readings of these 6 thermocouples is 52.17 degree Celsius. Calculations. To calculate the thermal conductivity of insulating powder, we are going to use the Fourier's law of heat conduction. According to Fourier's law of heat conduction, thermal conductivity K is equals to heater input multiplied by outer sphere radius minus inner sphere radius divided by 4 pi into outer sphere radius minus inner sphere radius multiply by inner sphere temperature minus outer sphere temperature. Hence, thermal conductivity of insulating powder after putting all the values in Fourier's law of heat conduction equation, we get K is equals to 0.0638 watt per meter Kelvin. Results: thermal conductivity of insulating powder is 0.0638 watt per meter Kelvin. Conclusion: the standard value of thermal conductivity of asbestos powder is in between 0.068 to 0.098 watt per meter Kelvin. The practical value of thermal conductivity of asbestos powder is 0.0638 watt per meter Kelvin. Thank you.